In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quotes in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Starting with the basics, quotes can significantly enhance your PowerPoint presentations either by emphasizing a point, adding credibility, or simply making your slides more engaging. Today, I'm here to guide you through the straightforward process of adding a quote to your slides, ensuring your next presentation stands out. First things first, let's open Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have a specific presentation in mind where you want to incorporate a quote, this is where we begin. Upon launching PowerPoint, you'll find yourself on the opening screen, which is your gateway to all your presentations. Navigate through your recent documents or use the Open option to locate the specific file you want to work on. If you're starting from scratch, this is also the place to create a new presentation. Once you've opened your file, the next step is to find the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint interface. Clicking on Insert unfolds a world of options for enhancing your slides, from adding images and shapes to videos and, of course, text. For the purpose of adding a quote, we'll focus on the text box option. Selecting text box will change your cursor into a crosshair, indicating that you're ready to draw a text box on your slide. Move your cursor to the spot on the slide where you envision the quote, press down, and drag to create a text box that accommodates your intended quote. Remember, you can adjust the size later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. With your text box ready, it's time to paste your chosen quote into the slide. You might have the quote copied to your clipboard already, or perhaps you're typing it in manually. Either way, make sure the text of the quote is inside the text box you've just created. After pasting or typing, you might notice that your quote needs a bit of formatting to truly shine. This could involve adjusting the font size, style, or color through the formatting options available under the Home tab. To distinguish your quote further and make it clear it's a direct quote, don't forget the essential final touch: adding quotation marks. Place them at the beginning and end of your quote to frame it properly. Quotation marks are not just punctuation marks, they signal to your audience that these are someone else's words, adding an element of authority or inspiration to your slide depending on the context of your presentation. Remember, the placement of your quote on the slide is just as important as the words themselves. Aim for a balance between text and the other elements on your slide, be it images, charts, or empty space. The goal is to make your slide visually appealing and ensure that your quote complements rather than overwhelms the slide's overall message. There you have it. You've just learned how to add a quote to your PowerPoint slide, enriching your presentation and hopefully captivating your audience. Adding quotes is a simple yet powerful tool in your presentation arsenal. Feel free to experiment with different fonts, colors, and placements to see what works best for your specific presentation style and objective. Remember, creativity in presentation design can significantly impact your audience's engagement and retention of the material. Quotes, when used thoughtfully, can be a memorable highlight of your presentation, encouraging reflection and making your key points resonate more deeply. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial on how to add quotes in PowerPoint. Be sure to explore other features within PowerPoint to further enhance your presentations and keep your audience engaged. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks that will take your presentation skills to the next level. Alright, I look forward to seeing how you use this simple yet effective technique in your next presentation. Until next time, happy presenting.